Hello.
My name is Ewa Lutomska.
My name's Anna.
I'm Andrzej. I'm from Kraków, from one of the most heavily polluted places in entire Europe.
Air quality in Poland is really bad.
I'm not sure if you know how it feels when you cannot go out for a walk with your kids because you are afraid you will get sick.
You couldn't open the window in Kraków during the winter season because of the black, heavy, dense smoke getting out of the chimney.
Households in Poland are heated with coal, are heated with wood.
The air smelled of coal, our clothes smelled of coal.
Nearly no one knew about the scale of the problem.
The pollution levels was very, very high and dangerous.
The media were not writing about this.
It was unbearable. That days, my daughters were very, very young. And knowing what smoke means to their health is something that is very, very difficult to accept. We were extremely angry at the situation. I know families left Kraków because the doctors advised them to leave because the air is too dirty.
Doctors had been warning for many years that air pollution was causing serious health consequences.
And you have a very simple choice: stay or move out.
That's why we started to act. I am happy to be a part of something great. It's amazing how much power is given by people who are engaged in the same fight, who is united by the same goal.
I believe in people. They can move mountains.
I am a co-founder.
I'm the co-founder,
I'm co-founder and the head of Polish Smog Alert,
which is
The social movement for clean air.
a movement of committed people who share the same objective.
We were worried about our children's life.
We want to breathe clean air. That's our main goal.
So we decided to start a campaign, a social movement for clean air.
when we started publishing the data on the Facebook site, the reaction was massive.
It was like boom.
We had an SOS campaign which gathered several hundred people.
Artificial lungs made of white fabric, and we put these lungs in small towns, big cities for 2 weeks. The first day they are white. After 2 weeks they get dark, and then people who look on that lungs, they say, what's that? This lung campaign, I think it gets viral, and that's because it's really visual, so there are millions of people who see it every year.
We had huge support
From scientists, from top doctors.
Our role as Polish Smog Alert is to go to politicians and to convince them to act.
This is not a complex problem to solve.
After a year of campaigning, the team successfully had the law changed to ban the use of coal and wood for heating in Krakow. But it wasn't long before people from other parts of the country were getting in touch to see how they could do the same.
They were asking us if we could help them fight for their right to breathe clean air.
I think it's a huge drive for change.
We decided that this is something that we would like to do.
We work together with our regional coordinators.
and now it gathers over 50 local smog alerts, engaging hundreds of people from whole Poland. The grassroots social pressure combined with cooperation with local authorities bring change. I think that people have the power, and our case can prove it.
These solutions have the potential to improve the health of every air-breathing organism on the planet, including us. There's no denying that our actions up to now have been hugely damaging to our atmosphere. But these finalists have shown that there are new solutions out there that can help to clean our air.
In Krakow, 10 years ago, 22% of children had asthma symptoms, and this fell to 9% as the air quality was improving.